Get ready to transform your wardrobe with this fun and easy t-shirt hack. First, I'm folding my t-shirt in half lengthwise to find the center point. Then I'm marking the center of the chest area with a pin. This will be the starting point for our design. We've taken a basic yellow t-shirt and added a unique eye-catching detail with just a few simple stitches. I'm carefully cutting a vertical line on the front of the t-shirt. I'm starting at the bottom and cutting upwards, stopping just below the neckline. Now I'm pinning a piece of fabric to the inside of the t-shirt, behind the cut. This will stabilize the fabric and make it easier to stitch. It's a fantastic way to upcycle your clothes, give new life to old favorites, or simply add a touch of personality to your style. I've threaded my needle with 2 strands of light beige embroidery floss. I'm going to stitch a foundation stitch. This will anchor our bridging stitches. Okay, now that our foundation is in place, start our bridging stitches. This creates the first bridge. I'll repeat this 2 more times, creating a total of 3 bridges. Now we have our first 3 bridges stitched. 1, 2, 3. But before we move on, we need to secure these bridges with a knot. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 threads. And there you have it. Our first set of bridges is nice and secure. Let's move on to the next. And we'll create another 3 bridges just like the first set. Remember to keep your stitches even and spaced consistently for a neat and tidy look. Now we have our second 3 bridges stitched 1, 2, and 3. I'll continue stitching these groups of 3 bridges, securing them with knots as I go until I reach the top of the gap. Okay, now second set of bridges is nice and secure. If your thread gets too short, simply knot it off at the back and start with a new thread. You can use it on all sorts of fabrics, from t-shirts and dresses to denim jackets and tote bags. And there you have it, a plain t-shirt transformed with a cool bridging detail. I love how this technique adds a touch of handmade charm and creates a unique, eye-catching design. This technique is perfect for upcycling old clothes, adding a personal touch to new garments, or even mending tears and holes with style. Get creative and experiment with different colors and thread types to create your own unique designs.